Not a chance. Not a chance I'm going that way. Trucks haven't been down that way for a really long time, so... Okay. Wow, she's going fast. I dropped a trailer just there for Hunter Pack. You know what time I need to pick it up? Ta-da! To air now again. Something's beeping somewhere and I don't know what it is, and it's absolutely driving me crazy. We're in London right now and we are looking for Iceland. Alright, we have arrived. Come on, pal, you can come out first. Okay, so we're gonna go and park behind this, guys. Oh no, this is the aisle. Okay, Iceland Foods warehouse entrance. I'm confused. That's a garage there, so I guess it's that way. Yeah, that's the garage for Iceland vehicles. I'm gonna put this on. I'm gonna go to the office. So we're gonna go and hand the paperwork in. Probably go on one of them bays. Alright, been to the office now, hand the paperwork in. They passed me this to not to show off off, but going in a bay now. Fine. Now it said 12 to 22. So yeah, let's do it. Alright, I think I'd be able to get in this one where the crates are. It's a little bit difficult, just a bit. Yeah, it's more than doable. I will get out if I feel the need to, but we should be more than alright there, to be honest. Just let him maneuver and just finish what he's doing. Yeah, that's what I call a nice reverse there. Wow, this fridge is going mental. Let's take the bars off now. So basically just get in here. Now all I gotta do is just that opening that. I hate that sound. I hate the sound of this. Gonna go and hand this case in and tell them what bay I am, and then hopefully it's gonna be quick. They say like an hour or something like that. I'll probably go to sleep in the hour, to be honest, but find out now. I don't know, but for some reason that bar did came with some of this, but they're missing, so I'm gonna have to go to the office and find out where they are. And guess what it is? This is why you check your stuff. Probably what, like, they have left people's stuff there. So I'm gonna pick the ones that I think are mine, which is probably this too. And I'm gonna go and put it back on my truck and put my bar on place. Always check your stuff because of stuff like this. Imagine that I left that would have cost the company some money. So if anything interacts happening, I will be back, guys. So let's do this. Trailer swap now, driving through the services, trailer swap, so let's do it, let's go. All right, our next location is the services on the M4. Start making our way there. Should be dead easy, quite fast. So I got a little idea. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna park in between these guys here. So get in a trailer bay and then I push forward and wait for my colleague on that side. So I'll do that now. All right, quick change of plans now. I'm not doing a trailer swap. Now I need to go to a company and I'm gonna be loaded overnight, and that is gonna be a good thing because I think I'm gonna finish early today. That's a good thing. So yeah, good thing. All right, I'm just doing a quick check of where I'm going, and this is what it looks like. It's plenty space. None of the places I've been is like tight. They have been tight, but not as bad. So that is the depot I'm going right there. Yeah, easy to get there, so let's get there. So many trucks in here, it's a little bit hard to like turn and stuff. So let me see if the back of my trailer is gonna come nice and easy. Yeah, that should do. Don't want to be like back ending in something. That's not the way we roll. All right, get there, drop the trailer, and trying to find somewhere where to park overnight. That's not too difficult to do, and we are experts on finding places where to park, to be honest, overnight. We've done it for a long time, so. All right, nearly there, guys. Gonna go and drop this trailer, and then what we're gonna do straight away is trying to find somewhere to park for the night. It's a little bit too early for my taste to stop because it's only 12. Obviously I start 2 o'clock this morning, but I think it's still a little bit too early for me. I would like to smash at least another 2 hours just to make it 12 hours. Obviously we get paid for an hour, so we want to do as many hours as we can. All right, we need to go and find this place now. I can just hear the beep of the truck on that side. Okay. All right. Not a chance. Not a chance I'm going that way. Trucks haven't been down that way for a really long time, so it's better just being safe than sorry. So rather reverse in here and go back. All right. Okay. All right, we're gonna come the same way because that way it doesn't seem suitable either. So I prefer to go back on myself than just getting stuck somewhere. Okay, wow, she's going fast. And the good thing about it is that as soon as I saw that, I went like, absolutely no way I'm going that way down there. You see, when you get to places like that, like you get boxed in like that, the best thing to do is just turn around. I learned that the hard way. That's the best thing to do. Just, okay, stop for a second. No, it doesn't look suitable for me, so I just gonna go back on myself. That's the best thing you can do. You're saying it's around there. I just checked over the Google Maps. Instead of just going around and coming out this way, I did just turn around. And to be honest, I saved myself about a mile. So that's a good thing. All right, we have reached our destination now. All right, so basically what we're doing now is dropping in next to that one that says 61 and then going to the office. Well, going to their office. Shut up, you think. So I think the best is say next to that one, but I'm gonna park in between. Or next to it? No, because probably like the chunter goes that way. So I'm just gonna park it in between anyway, which is not a drama. All right. Yeah. All right, time to take the trailer off. Right. That's the leg stump. That's done. Put this where it belongs. There you go. Done. Put the bar out. Put the trailer down and then I'll be able to get going. Is that out? Let's see, have a look at that. Yeah, that's completely out. Race it back to normal and then we'll be able to get in our way. Find out what's going on now. I dropped a trailer just there for Hunter Pack. You know what time I need to pick it up?
Is that tomorrow morning?
Yes.
Yeah, I'll show you.
Spoke to the guy there. The trailer's going to be ready 3 o'clock in the morning, so I need to go and find somewhere to park. Around the corner is a little parking there, so go have a look at that. When I went past it to come in here, it was like 1 million lorries parked up just right there around the corner. So let's go and find out, do a review on these services. All right, truck stop. We park here and find out if, or what's the crack in here, because I think you got a booking in here, to be honest. Please let me in, gonna show me where to park now. So the guy's coming over now, find out where we're going. This is our guy. Because it's really sunny, I'm gonna park up like this, because otherwise I'm gonna get the whole sun on the cab, so I don't want that. So okay, let's go and get ready and pay for this. Impressions straight away. That's the main doors. This is the second door. Absolutely massively clean. This place is clean. This place is like ladies, vending machines, toilets. No one, two. And then you get a shower right here. Yes, that is what you want. That's the toilet there. It's alright. I will say, stay overnight is not so bad. It's good. Compared to the stuff that I've been staying, this is good. Absolutely spot on. Look at this. Look at this. Absolutely immense as well. In here you can stand, can hang your stuff. You can hang your stuff. Surprised with that. And then upstairs you got a restaurant and you got a little section right here. And let's see the restaurant. Let's see what it's like. That's alright. The restaurant is okay. That's not too bad. That's alright. I like it. I like it. So trying to get a shower and get ready for tomorrow and start the planning. Let's do it. And on top of that, look at this. Loads of space. Bearing in mind we're in Dover, so the port is like around the corner. They make a killing. Security as well. That's the main thing. That's what you want. You want at least cameras. Just like I'm right beneath and below there, so that's a good thing. So can't sleep on peace tonight, I guess.